Good morning, kindergarten. Today is K Day for our ABC countdown, and K was for Kindergarten Day. So for Kindergarten Day, we are sharing our favorite memory of kindergarten. And one of my favorite memories of kindergarten was family game night. So I put some pictures up of our family game night for us to look through. So in this picture, we have Ryder and Reed and Ronan and Reagan, which is Ryder's cousin, and Ryder's dad. We've got Kennedy and Kennedy's dad too. Looks like they're playing bingo right now, and they were going to play Monopoly. Tierney and her mom playing Connect 4. Wyatt and his dad and his sister Ava, they're playing Chutes and Ladders. Forrest and his siblings, they were playing Candyland. Isabel and her sister and babysitter, they're playing Chutes and Ladders too. Jackson and his mom and dad and sister Brooklyn, they look like they're playing Chutes and Ladders too. That was a fun game. And Isabel, her sister, and Kennedy's brother, they're all playing Twister. That was one of my very favorite memories from kindergarten. Can you tell me what your favorite memory from kindergarten is? All right, we are in the month of April still, and if you look at our calendar, it is the very last day of April. So this is the last day you will see this calendar, and the last day we get to sing our April song. So sing along with me loud and proud. Sing a song for April, A-P-R-I-L. April is the 4th month and spring is here as well. Days are getting warmer, the flowers start to sprout. A-P-R-I-L, that's what April's all about. Very good. So the last day of April is underneath of our balloon, and it's a big number. 30. 30 is our number today, and it's, like I said, the last day of April. So if we want to figure out the day of the week, we circle the number, we go all the way up, straight up, and we find the day of the week today is Thursday. Very good. Thursday. Today is Thursday. If today is Thursday, yesterday was Wednesday. Very good. Tomorrow will be, today is Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. Fun Friday tomorrow. All right, let's go ahead and read. I'll start with our red sentence. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. Today is Thursday. Said that it was April. And the number that we popped with our balloon was 30. 30. 30. And the year 2020. All right, sing along with me. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 30th. April 30th, 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. All right, how many days have we been learning at home? Yesterday, remember, we moved a big chunk of ones and we turned them into a tens right here. So now we need to add 1 to our ones place in our tens frame, right? Now we need to write our numbers. There's only 1, in the ones place. And there is 1, 2, 3, 3 in our tens place. So, how many days have we been learning at home? 31. 31 days. Okay, now we need to erase another day. How many days left of kindergarten? 15 days. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? Okay, if you look outside, what is the weather like today? If I looked out my window earlier, it was raining, but now it looks like it's not raining anymore, but it's only cloudy. It definitely looks gloomy, like it could rain again, but right now it's just cloudy. You may have a different weather when you watch our video. So if you look outside of your window right now and it's definitely raining, it is going to be different than what our graph is going to say. But that's okay. So I see cloudy. Now it looks like cloudy and sunny both have 5, so it means they are equal. Very good. All right, let's see what the temperature is today. I know it is not as warm as it was yesterday. Nope, today it says that it is 44 degrees. It could get warmer today, but right now it's only 44. Well, it doesn't seem like the temperature that we want to play outside. 44 degrees. Can't forget to label. 44 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, what are the words? I have some new words underneath here. This is a word that you might be able to put together because we have, let me move this and I will type. We've learned this word, which starts with that C and it has the O-U-L-D. So this word was could. Could. We learned this word that has the W-O-U-L-D, would. So we've learned could and we've learned would. Now this one is the one that we're working on today. And if you look at the SH, we know SH says shh. So we want to put shh on the front of our O-U-L-D. Ould. Shh. Ould. So this full word, let's try that again. This full word is should. Very good. It should be warmer outside. I wish that it was. Should. All right. Let's go to the next word. Take. All right, if you look at this one, T-A-K-E, this right here has a bossy E, right? That E is going to tell the vowel to say its name. T-A-K. Take. Now, let's look at our last one. Her. We've seen that word before. H-E-R. Her. All right. What is the sentence? We have quite a few sentences today. Let's go ahead and read through them. I got to see my mom and dad. I got to see my mom and dad. Well, we can see that in our sentence, in order to fix it, we have something we need to fix. Our sentence starts with a capital letter, so that's good. I, And let's look at our punctuation. We know we see our punctuation right here. There's a period already, so we don't need to fix that. What do we need to fix in our sentence? We have two random capital letters. We don't want capital letters in the middle of our sentence unless it's for a name. These need to be lowercase. There we go. I got to see my mom and dad. All right, let's go to the next one. We saw them on the iPad. That word is iPad. We saw them on the iPad. All right, if we go to the front, we see a capital letter. Our sentence starts with a capital letter, so that's good. We also need to check, bless me. We also need to check for the punctuation. So we need punctuation at the end of our sentence. We saw them on the iPad. We need a period there, don't we? All right, let's go to our next sentence. Lucy was happy to see her, that word all the way, it's a big word, grandma, and grandpa. All right, there is one thing we need to fix in our sentence. So if we start at the beginning of our sentence, we have a capital letter. We don't need to fix that, right? Is this the beginning of our sentence right here? No, right? Because our sentence just keeps going on to the next line. So this letter right here does not need to be capitalized. That's correct. We already have punctuation at the end, but if you look, what is this word right here? Was. That might be how it sounds, but that has been a sight word for us. So we know how to spell was. Was is spelled W-A-S. So we needed to fix that, didn't we? Lucy was happy to see her grandma and grandpa. So I got to see my mom and dad, and Lucy got to see her grandma and grandpa because my mom and dad are her grandma and grandpa. So we got to see them on the iPad. Let's read our very last sentence. She tried to give them a kiss. She tried to give them a kiss, even though they were on the iPad. So we need to fix one thing out of our sentence before we look at our pictures. She tried to. Do numbers go in the middle of a sentence right here? We're not talking about this number 2, are we? We need to write T-O for 2. She tried to give them a kiss. All right, are you ready to see our pictures? Here they are. This is my mom, and this is my dad, which is Lucy's grandma and grandpa, and she is so happy to see them. She's looking right at them on the iPad. And right here, she is trying to give them a kiss. She misses her grandma and grandpa a lot. We used to see them almost every day, and we haven't been able to see them. But we get to see them on iPads, and we get to talk to them. So we still get to say hi, which is very nice. Hope that you have an awesome day, kindergarten. Share all of your favorite memories about kindergarten that you have.